What's up YouTube? This is How To Videos, and today I'm going to show you how to get mod menus for any game on your PC. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you want to take that link that's down in the description. You want to go ahead and run that link like so, and it will bring you to this website. It's called wemod.com for Infinity. You want to go ahead and click free download. Go and click that button. It's just that simple. I already have it right here. So once you download that, you should have a setup button right here. So go ahead and click the Infinity setup. And once that setup is all done, and you want to go ahead and click on the logo, and the program will open up right here. Now this will be the home page. On the home page, you will see all the featured games that they have right now. These are the newest games, and as well as the newest updated games with the cheats. And you can go over here to games and scroll down this long list of different games. We have a large library of games from A through Z. You can go ahead and find your games like that. And I'm going to take you on a quick little tutorial. Right here, welcome to Infinity. Infinity is the platform to manage cheats and mods for your favorite games. Next, this is your dashboard. Here you will find featured content and the latest releases. Up here was the cheat library. Find all of the games that are supported by Infinity. Right here's the game cheats. Click on a game to see the cheats and features offered. Right here's the hotkeys. Edit the hotkey by clicking it and selecting one key or a combination of keys on your keyboard. Controllers are also supported. Right here is where you turn it on. Get fine-grained control over cheats with the interactive interface. And you can switch views, change over to a compact list of views. Launching games, click play to start the game with the cheats. Game not found. If Infinity did not detect your game, but you know you have it installed, drag the game's icon here or select its folder. That's what you would do if you, I have mine down here in the task section, but if I had it right here on my desktop, I would just drag the icon straight over here and it will recognize it, and I'll just drop it in and start playing right away. Right here is the Infinity remote. For the pro members, they get access to the remote app. Forget about hotkeys and alt tabbing. Control everything from your smartphone or tablet. So instead of having to go into the interface of the program and turn on the cheats, you can just do it from your phone or your tablet. Free sign up. Everything is all free to sign up here. You don't need to sign up for a subscription, pay monthly or yearly or anything like that. But the pro membership and everything has its perks to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how this works. I have the game State of Decay 2 already installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Then I'm gonna click on the options. That'll bring me to the page of the game that has all the cheats right here. Now either I could go ahead and click on my game icon, which is down here at the bottom, or I could go ahead and click play. Let's go ahead and click on the game icon. That's what I suggest you do first. Kind of helps out to get the game running first, because if you go ahead and click play, for some games it won't recognize it yet unless the game is running. So I suggest that you go ahead and get the game running, and then you can exit out, go back, and then activate your cheats. Let me know down in the comment section also if you would like a link to State of Decay 2 for PC for free. I will leave that also down in the description or in the comment section if I see that people are requesting it. Let's look at these things that I have in my inventory right now. Like I have 59 parts right here, right? Now if I go back to the mod menu right here, it'll give me an option to have massive items and unlimited resources. So let's go ahead and click on both of those and go back to the game. Alright, now you see I have 59 of these now. We go back. Now I have 999 of everything in here. So that's a quick way to show you right there. Alright, let's go back to the home screen. So if you want to put on all the cheats, feel free to put on all the cheats. Like I said before, I suggest that you go ahead and start the game and then go ahead and click play up here so that the cheats could recognize the game, and then you'll be good from there. So go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section. If you have any issues or problems, I will help you out. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Alright.